kabar semuanya? Finally today I have a time to make a video about the cooking again because my children back to school like normally. Today I want to cook about beef stew. Like this beef stew can be different because it's supposed to be like a Jewish food for Sabbath. They always cook in the Friday, and because they cannot cook in the Saturday, they just stay in the oven for 12 hours. But today I want to make something is different because I want to cook fast. I want to use the press cooker, and you can enjoy this food because it's fast and not too long to cook this food. Okay, you can try this recipe, and I hope you can try it too for your family. Okay, this ingredient we need to make a Dafina. The first, I need the meat, the beef. I used in here 3 pounds of beef, 5 eggs, 2 large onion, 1 large sweet potato. I got the big chunk here, and 3 potato. I got the big 2. The spices we need today. The spices what we need: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 teaspoon salt. The optional for salt and black pepper, you can add more if you like it. And I use like 4 pork belly. Okay, in here. So we want to start it now. How to make? In here, I want to tell how to make a Dafina. Supposed to be cooked like a 12 hour, but I want to make it fast. Especially when you have a children, you don't have too much time, especially when you come back from the school. So in here I use the Instantpot. In here my Instantpot is so big. Okay, the Instantpot is very easy to use, especially when you cook like a beef or chicken, and not too long. Maybe you need like maybe like 30 minutes at least, or maybe an hour if you want to cook more longer after you press cooker for the beef, and you want to cook like a more flavor. After they're done, you cook again with the satay. The satay in here, the meaning you cook more longer again for like another 30 minutes. But you very perfect your food. So I want to share how to make it with the Instantpot. Okay, I already put everything here. Okay, I already put the black pepper, cayenne, cumin, and cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to add it together first before we adding the beef. Oh, it smells so good. Now time for us to add the beef. Okay, it's a beef. Why the first I want to put the beef? Because I want to cook the beef is done first before I add the potato and egg in here. So we want to cook here, and we add the water, and we cook for like a 15. They have the number here. They have like cook like a for 15, number 15 for press cooker. Right now I just saute for this. So did this one first. Yeah, cook this really good. Now in here, look at this. In this only saute. Saute is only like I just cook like for 10 minutes. And now I want to cancel it in here. Let me turn off. Now I want to start the press cooker. press cooker here, I put like a 15. Maybe 15 is good. Okay, I put like a 15. The minute I want to cook the beef first. Okay, I want to add more water here. Maybe for like 3 cup water. Put the 4 cup here. Like this. Put the 4 cup until cover for the beef. Okay, now time to close it. Put all the potato here. Potato, sweet potato. Put that here. And put the egg too. I have to make me fast in here. So I want to turn off the pressure cooker. Now I want to put pressure cooker again for 4 minutes only for the number 4. Okay, number 4 for potato. Okay, we close it. So I put everything together in a pot. Now I want to cook the pressure cooker for number 4. All together right now. Okay. Okay, the spinach is done with the egg and the potato. Finally, Dafina is ready and time to eat with your family. I hope you can try my recipe. See you next time. Bye.